Greetings and welcome back to another video by Wargaming. Today I show you how to paint in easy way the Nighthaunt from the Warcry box set Pyre Flood. First of all, I want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe on the channel and share with your friends this video. Thank you. Before priming, I apply a random part crackle paint by green stuff word, because when it's dry and after I apply a black primer, in the meter create a particular crackle effect that are perfect for these miniatures. With airbrush I apply in all the model the black primer. When the black primer is dry, the next step is white primer in all the miniatures, and after I apply a blue colors, dark blue color on the miniatures. I gently highlight the miniatures with a lighter blue color. I want to experiment another technique, speed paint and thinner together. I want to create a wash for the miniature. After I apply the entire models, next day, when all is dry, I paint with a dark green color the flames and the ghost. For the metal part I gently dry brush with a silver. After I highlight the edge with a brass color. Next day I wash the entire models with a oil color. And after I remove the extra with a white spirit. For the hands, for the face, I use a purple wash. I weathering the armor with a verdigris. And after I remove the extra with a Q-tip. When it's dry I gently dry brush with a silver color. Mud texture by World is a good choice for this miniature, but I want to only use for a texture paint. So in this case I apply the texture paint, and when it's dry I apply over paint color. When it's dry I paint with a white color the base and highlight some part of the ghost. Over the white color I painted with a green color, a light green color. When it's dry I wash the green part with a green tone. After this tutorial you are able to paint in easy way this miniature. So, this is the end of this video. I hope that you like. Please like, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe on this channel, share with your friends. And thank you so much for the wonderful messages on Instagram and Discord server. Thank you and see you soon for our next video. Bye bye.